showing the parts to be installed. Take a screwdriver to slowly pry open the location where the fuse is installed. The instrument comes with 2 spare fuses for replacement. Remove the broken fuse and replace it with the spare fuse. Mounting accessory holder. Mounting cold handle. Mounting RF handle. Mounting spray tip. If there is no water from the nozzle, clear the water outlet with a needle. Mounting abrasion handle. The roll of rubber ring. 1. Fix the installation. 2. Prevent water leakage. Mounting ultrasound handle. Mounting scrubber handle. Mounting photon mask. Put all the mounted handles into the corresponding accessory rack in turn. 1. Please install the nutrition bottles in the corresponding position of the main machine in order of ABC, from left to right. 2. To install or remove the ABC bottles, press the white button above, then remove the bottle. Do not disassemble it violently. For H2O2 bottle, rotate it to install and remove. 3. In the video, it is pure water in the A, B, C, H2O2 bottles. For practical treatment, fill the bottle with corresponding nutrient solution as indicated by the bottle body. 4. Turn the rotary knob on the top of machine to select needed bottle from A, B, C, H2O2 bottles. For instance, when rotary knob points to A, the A bottle is in use. When rotary knob points to D, the H2O2 on the back of machine is in use. Connect the power cord. Turn on the machine and activate operation interface. Scrubber, max energy, 10, recommended energy, between 3 and 7, mode, select according to personal needs. Ultrasound, max energy, 10, recommended energy, between 3 and 7, mode, select according to personal needs. RF, max energy, 20, recommended energy, between 3 and 15, mode, select according to personal needs. Abrasion, when rotary knob points to D, an H2O2 button on screen lights up. When the trash icon alarms, it means the wastewater bottle is full. Don't get worried, just pour the water out of the wastewater bottle. Cold, tap start button. Spray, tap start button. Flash, cyclic light, color switch. Features of photon mask. Red light, rejuvenating and firming. Blue light, oil control and acne relief. Green light, balancing oil to water content. Cyan light, promote metabolism. Yellow light, brightening spots. Violet light, repair post-acne marks. White light, firming and activating skin. Turn off the machine.